Welcome to the Caesar Art channel. Today we will draw an Eastern Arabic abstract painting. I wish you a pleasant viewing and let's get started. As you can see, I start this picture with portrait of the girl. Also, the main objects in this picture will be the Burj Khalifa, mosque and the sun. But for now, back to the portrait. I started to form the main object of the face, the eyes, nose and lips. Now let's move to more detailed drawing to the eyes. Draw the pupils of the eyes with the white paint. Also with the thin brush draw the shape of the nose. At this video I will not draw the more realistic portrait as is the abstract picture. But still some rules must be observed when drawing the portrait. With a thin brush we set the shape of the lips. If you like a draw or you are a professional artist, write in the comment. What is the type of the painting do you like the best? Perhaps it's a landscape, or the portrait, or abstract painting. Now gradually fill the shape of the face with the shadows and the highlights. Create volume with the white paint. We start drawing hair from the dark areas. When drawing hair, I will use a palette knife. Using a palette knife, you can achieve an effect of dispersion. As the portrait is not a realism, I put different colors on the face to maintain abstractness. But these colors should still be combined with each other. For the drawing Burj Khalifa, I will use the gold paint. I start from the top to the bottom. We outline the base of the tower. Also here for the drawing I use the palette knife. To emphasize to overflow borders, I will use the silver paint. Also for the more contrast, I will apply bronze paint. Now with the black paint we make the outline of the tower. The mosque will be located below. The temple will emphasize the Arabic style of the painting. Darken the light side of the roof of the temple, show the light and the shadow. You can also add some detail. We draw the second mosque in the same style and the same color paints. Now with the palette knife, let's add some abstract moments to the picture. Now with the using of the gold paint we begin to draw an Arabic ornament. I decided to draw the sun in the same style with a combination of the Arabic letters. Also, instead of using sunlight, I will use Arabic lines. Here is the picture I got in the Arabic style. Idea for this picture I came up with myself. If you like this video, please tap like and subscribe to my channel. We will draw with you together. For today I say goodbye to you. Thanks for the watching and see you soon.